Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup. So if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are creating this eye look and I'm using the little shadows that I just bought. So if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so you are a bit zoomed in because we are gonna do an eye look today and I'm very happy. I bought new little cosmetics eyeshadows and I bought this tool. It's just used for depotting shades, so I could just use this side to just remove shades from here and the other side for the palettes that have the holes in the back. But I bought this beautiful magnetic palette from Lidl and this bee in here is very beautiful and I like the simplicity and the logo and everything in here. I really liked the Little Cosmetics formula, so I decided to buy 12 more shades and 2 of them are multichromes and one of these shades is from the Animal Charity collection and that one was very beautiful, so I decided to buy it as well. Let's start swatching these shades because I'm very excited to use them on my eyelids. Okay, so the first shade is the matte yellow and it's called Helios. Then we have the shimmery green. This one is called Cryptic. And then we have a matte pink. This one is called Crossroads. Then we have this very beautiful matte. It's called Terminus. I hope I'm pronouncing that decent. And then we have Retrograde, which is the multichrome. And it's just stunning. And then we have the Professor Patch shade, and this one is from the Animal Charity collection. Then we have the matte blue, which is called Outrun. Then we have Rocket Fuel, which is the shimmery gray. And then we have Backdraft, which is very beautiful. And for the last 3 shades, we have Event Horizon, which is the other multichrome that I bought. And then we have Frantic, which is this brown. And the last shade is the matte black. It's called Transmutation. So these are the swatches. So this one is a multichrome and this one as well. And they are just stunning. I'm very excited to put them on my eyes. So let's move into the look. First thing, let's apply a bit of loose powder under the eyes because I don't want any fallout. Let's put a bit on the forehead to mattify just a tiny bit. And of course I will list down below everything that I have on my face. And I'll put in the description box the name of the shades as well. And we are priming with the NYX primer. Okay, so for the look, I've been wearing a lot of pinks, but the pinks are still calling to me, so we are gonna start with the yellow and blend into this pink and then intensify with the other pink. And then I think on the lid maybe I'll use the multichrome, of course, and I think maybe on the lower lash I'm gonna use the brown and the other multichrome. I don't know, I want to incorporate how many shades I can. Okay, so I'm applying the yellow in here. And I'm very excited that I bought a matte yellow because I have only one matte yellow in my singles collection and it's the Juvia's Place one and I don't really like that one and I'm gonna declutter it and it's as well pretty old, so I'm happy to have this one right now and it's a very beautiful yellow, very light and colorful. I'm taking the pink now. This color story is really reminding me of the Hela palette, the Udan's Eye and Angelika's collaboration, and that's really interesting because I created this palette before seeing the reveal video, but I still bought the Hela palette and I hope I will get it soon. But before getting it, I still have these shadows to play with, which is amazing. I'm very excited for the Hela palette. It's funny that I just mentioned in one of my videos that I don't want to buy from Udan's Eye because they are shipping with the postal service and like 3 days later I see that Angelica is collaborating with them, so bought it. I really like Angie, so I have now an excuse to buy from Huda, but I will not buy from them a lot because they are shipping with the postal service, but maybe once it will be fine. And they don't have express shipping like Little has. I really like that Little did have express shipping and it was not very expensive, so that was great. And as you can see, they are creating an orange right in between, and yeah, they are very pastel-y shades and I really like that. They look great and they blend it very nice. Let's take the darker pink and I put it right here. The only thing that I don't love about Little shadows is that they are a bit dusty, but they are blending still very well. And with this smaller brush I'm taking just a bit of the black. I want to see how black it is and if I can just build it on top of this shade. I put kinda a lot of shades, so maybe the black is not building the best, but it's okay. I don't want a very dark edge in here. But yeah, I don't think it's the best black, but it's okay. What I'm gonna do is apply a bit of glitter glue and I will wet the brush as well to apply the shimmer, and then I'm gonna apply a bit more of the black and it will stick a lot better and it will be darker, so it's totally fine. And I'm taking the multi-chrome, this one in here, and I'm putting it right here. Oh, it's so beautiful. I see a beautiful green. Yeah, it's direct light, so like this maybe you can see the red base. So for the lower lash I'm gonna drag the black in here and then use the brown and into this multi-chrome, and in the inner corner we are gonna use this very beautiful shade. This Professor patch is reflecting the light very beautifully. I really like it, but I put that multi-chrome in the inner corner and in here on the lower lash, and it's not the best shade for that because it's very dark, but it's fine. We are blending this shade into it and it's looking a lot better. Of course I didn't want to use as many shades as possible, so that's the reason I used that many, but of course I could just apply the brown and then the multi-chrome on top and it will look amazing. Just applying a bit more of this. Let's remove the excess fallout and powder and everything. So these are the eyes without mascara or lashes or anything like that. I really like the lid shade and I'm very excited to compare it to one shade from the Hela palette. I think that one has a duochrome that's similar to this one. So yeah, I'm very excited to get that palette as well. Let me apply some lashes, mascara and everything and I'll be right back. Okay, so I zoom you out and this is the final look. I put some lashes on. I will list everything, like I said, down below, and this is the look. I really like it. I really like the palette that I created. I really like the front as well, and I think the color story is very cute, and I think as well that Little does this very well with the palette creation, and the shades are really beautiful. I think the multi-chrome are cute, and I like the mattes as well. A bit dusty, that's the only thing, but yeah, I think it's a great indie brand to buy from. They are a bit expensive as well, the multi-chromes in particular, but they are of course multi-chromes, and I like the tool as well. I did test it with my other magnetic palettes and it works great, and I think the experience ordering from their site is amazing as well. Very easy to see everything, very easy to create a palette as well, and yeah, so all in all I really like everything. If you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.